Hello Kitty figured out that fall time is fun with her friends.
Ray Ray, I just got back from the market.
Uh-huh. What's that for me, baby?
I picked up some grade A quality food. My favorite. You bet. They're top of the nut line. Top of the line foods. Or they're called these organic foods, and the clerk said that they're really good for you, and that they're vegetables and fruits and all that good stuff.
Really? Tell me more.
Well, you can just think of them as, this is a big meatball, a drumstick,
No.
and a big strawberry gumball, and all that other stuff.
Really? Gertrude, are you telling me what I think you're telling me?
What, Ray Ray?
Are you telling me to go on a diet?
Well, it wouldn't hurt, Ray Ray.
You want me unhappy.
No, I don't, Ray Ray. I want you healthy.
No, you don't. This is who I am. You want me unhappy. Here I am reading my favorite book and my Happy Chicks. Here is my Happy Chicks. You don't love me.
How could you say that, Ray Ray?
Gertrude, I've been with you forever, and I know that you don't love me.
You're unattractive, that's why.
How dare you? You know what? I don't like your body figure either.
Ray Ray. We're through.
Good. Oh.